Good morning, everybody. This is Renee Rutten, and in today's Canva training, we're just going to show 5 quick tips to kind of help your designs stand out a little bit. So we're on an Instagram post here, and as you can see, I just pulled this one over here. And so then we're going to select the text here in this section, and we're just going to take the little turn tool down here in the bottom and just kind of turn it a little bit. So when you have other text that's straight in your design and you give a word or two a little bit of an angle, that's just a way to make it kind of stand out a little bit. Okay, so then let's put this in a bubble. That's another way to make it stand out. This might not be the perfect design for the example, but I'll at least show you what I'm talking about here. So let's go to Elements and just search bubble. And it brings up all these different shapes of bubbles that you can use. Okay, we're going to pick one with a little bit of color, just because our design is, well, now let's do this. Let's pick this one. But then I want to make it more of a blue like the fish is. So then let's just change that color a little bit. And here we go. Are we getting close? Yeah, I think we're getting close. Okay. And let's shrink that down. Let's put it at a little bit of an angle. And then let's position it backwards. So we're doing all kinds of nifty things here. Now let's take this text and make it much smaller so that it fits within the bubble. So that's not necessarily something that you would put in the bubble, but we're just giving you an idea of how to do some of these things. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is how to make it look like you have cut out letters. So let's get rid of all of this stuff here. And let's just say a shape. And let's just start with this one. It's kind of hard. I guess our background is kind of, I didn't realize, I thought it was white. It's actually kind of a color. And I do want it to be white. Okay, then the shape, I want to be bright red. Okay, now I want to make it look like the letters on here are cut out. So I'm going to go to text and put a text in here, and I'm not that creative, so I'm just going to say text. How many times have you guys seen that? Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the text color the same as the background color, which happens to be white. And there it looks like that's cut out. Okay, so what if our background color was black? All we would need to do to make this look cut out is to change that to black. And so you can do that with any color that you want. If your background color is that teal color, then make your text the teal color. And it looks as though the text is cut out in your image. Okay, so let's get rid of all of this. And the next thing that we're going to do is overlay transparent designs. So let's go back to Elements and let's just overlay. Okay, so we're going to copy this so we have 3 of them. Okay, there's 3 there. Okay, so we're going to select them all. We're going to make them a little bit smaller so they fit within the page here. Okay, so there we have 3 designs, 3 hearts. Okay, so let's make this one a pink, and this one, we're just going to kind of grab colors here that are similar. And then we're going to take all of them at once. We could do them one at a time, but we're just going to do this quickly. Maybe it isn't going to let me do that one at a time or all together. No, it doesn't. The transparency tool doesn't work. I just discovered that when you have groupings. So let's pick one at a time, and I'm going to go transparency down to, about 70. Okay, and then let's take this one and let's do the transparency to about 70. Close enough. And again on this one. It's early in the morning and my eyes don't see the best. Okay, so there you go. That's a transparent overlay of designs, and it really gives you kind of a cool element to use with designs. Okay, I promised you 5, so we got one more to go. And this one is a really cool, I like this one. Well, I like them all, but this one's really cool. So let's suppose that you're making a design and you're trying to make a dramatic point that 4 out of 5 people earn $150,000 a day or whatever. We're just making stuff up here. So let's take this and let's copy it. We have 1 and we want 5. So we're going to copy 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. And we are just going to line these guys up here so that they are in an even row. And you can see the spacing might not be perfect here because I'm not too worried about that. You guys can play with that. But we're saying 4 out of 5 people. Let's go to text here. So come on here. So 4 out of 5 people something. Okay, so what you do is you take this one person and you change the color on that and see how dramatic. It's not just the words that say 4 out of 5, but you can actually see visually that it's 4 out of 5 because that one person is a different color. So that is my 5 tips for today for making your design stand out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please let me know, leave me a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.